Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Phil Pravda here, Suit Cafe, that's right, suitcafe.com. Thanks for watching this new video and other videos that I've done already on my channel, and thanks for subscribing and hitting that notification bell that many of you have already done. Sorry for the messy desk, but look, every time I make a video I can't clean the whole desk. You ever watch those videos where someone has the desk, it's like pristine, like they never used the desk? I mean, I can't. I use the desk. There's stuff all over the place. So sorry for that, but that's just, I don't know. Some people say that a messy desk is the sign of genius. I don't know. You could tell me down in the comments. But anyway, this video is another unboxing. We've done some shoe unboxings in the past. Here is another new shoe unboxing. And this one's a very special one because these shoes were not only made custom in terms of how the leather was chosen and the color, but we made a custom last for this particular person. The bottom, the shape of the shoe, all of it was custom. It did cost extra, but it was worth it because now he has an exact mold of his foot, the shape of his foot, the last of his foot is now at the factory in Spain. And anytime he wants a special shoe, we just use his last, and that's it. He gets exactly the fit that he needs. So here we go. Without further ado, I'm going to take out these shoes here. I'm going to show you some. Some of them are basic shoes that you could wear every day with a suit or with jeans if you want. This one here, I'm going to take it out right here and show this one to you. This is a beautiful patina finish. This is size 14, by the way, just so you know. Beautiful patina finish in sort of this cognac brown, and it's burnished. Very classic shoe. This is the Oxford cap toe with the one seam across the toe there. And then the bottom we have this beautiful dark red finish right there. So hopefully you can see it okay. I'll sort of hold it up to the camera. Maybe you can see it a little better, just like that. Of course, always at the end I put the photos of the shoes so you can get to see them. That's the first one there. And these three pairs are all for the same particular person. So the next shoe, up for bids, if you'd like to say. Let's put this one down. I'll bring the next one out. The next one we have here is, I think this is a hole cut shoe. And this is a very classic one. Just should be solid black. Is this the solid black? Yes. So hole cut, meaning all one piece of leather and in the solid black, in the nice soft calf skin. So this is just a classic black shoe. I mean, timeless. You could wear it with anything. And of course, on the bottom, we did the red on the bottom there. You have the beautiful dark red on the bottom. And Goodyear welted shoes too. For those of you who know the difference, Goodyear welted means that inside the sole, there's a layer of cork that's put right in here. And that layer of cork allows for a few things. First of all, it allows the shoe to form better to your foot when you're walking. It also allows water not to penetrate through the bottom of the sole. So it's sort of like a little waterproofing on the bottom in between this piece of leather and the leather that's on the inside. And also it's very good for perspiration. When you're perspiring all day from your foot, that cork helps with alleviate a lot of the perspiration getting into the sole and getting into the leather on the bottom. So Goodyear welting is the most desirable type of shoe construction, and also one of the most expensive, but it's very worth it. So there you go, the classic black in the calfskin, in the hole cut. And then the last one we have is a new design that we did, and also with this custom last. So the last is custom. Now this one is another hole cut shoe, but what we did was we wanted to do like a navy blue shoe, but we didn't want the whole shoe to look so navy because we wanted to be able to wear it with black and brown and other things. So what we did was we used, this is the navy blue Vitello leather. The Vitello leather is a little bit of a softer leather. It doesn't come in every color, but it does come in the navy. And the Vitello navy is a slightly brighter blue. I was wondering if you could see the shade of that there. But we did double extra burnishing. So you can see all the way around the toe and all the way around the back is that dark, deep black hand-rubbed burnishing that's done by the artisans in Spain. And again, the hole cut, no seams at all on the shoe except for just right there in the back by the heel. And then on the bottom, because the fall winter is coming in New York, it's already going to be mid-September, we did the rubber on the heel, of course, and also the rubber with a little extra grip right over here. So when you're walking in the cold New York winter, it could be bad rain, could be a little snow. Not only do you have Goodyear welting, but you have the rubber also on the bottom to give you extra grip and better protection from the cold and the wet weather, which is always nice to have if you live in a city. So there you have it. Those are the three new shoes that have just come in for one particular person. And I want to show you a couple of other things too, because we got a lot of exciting things going on at suitcafe.com. And I wanted to mention, for those of you who want to talk to me in person, if you want to mention down in the comments, I could do live streaming on YouTube, but also we could connect possibly on a Clubhouse or on Stereo. If you use those apps, Clubhouse or Stereo, I could set up a room there. We could have a discussion about business, about clothing, about how to set up your own business if you like doing that. I'd be glad to do that and offer, my knowledge and give you some advice or some tips. Not that I'm so smart, but I've done a couple things in my lifetime already, and I'd be happy to do that to any of you. So give me some comments down there, or where you want to have this live. You want to do it on Instagram, we could do it on YouTube. A lot of different ways you could do lives these days, and I'm happy to do it, really. So a couple of new things we're doing. Custom-made denim. That's right. We have custom-made jeans now. These are going to be on the website pretty soon, suitcafe.com. We're already selling them individually to people. And we have different weights. We have 9 ounce, 10 ounce. This is a combo blend of weight with cotton and viscose and elastin. So it's a very lightweight, very stretchy denim. And you have the no wash and then 3 other colors of wash denim. So you could choose any of those to get your own custom jeans. And then something really special. Let me open this up because I just received it. This is really special. This is 100% cashmere, but 760 grams. So when you feel this is so stunningly beautiful. Beautifully lightweight because it's cashmere, but it has that, it's hard to explain. It feels thick because it's going to be for a coat, but it doesn't feel heavy on your body. So you get that warmth, but you don't get the weight. And that's what's nice. Well, sorry about that. We had a little snafu with the camera that second. Anyway, so as I was saying, 760 grams, just beautifully soft, comes in the classic camel and navy blue and black, and we just received this. And also, just to show you, for those of you who don't want 100% cashmere because it's delicate, it's also very expensive, but we have other combinations and colors too. So you have red and purple and burgundy and heather gray and cognac and turquoise. So many beautiful colors and other combinations of cashmere mixed with wool. 50-50 wool cashmere, 70-30 wool cashmere, 80-20 wool cashmere. So you have a choice of those two, and those will be online fairly soon, especially they'll be online definitely this month. So thanks for tuning in and watching this quick unboxing of those shoes. Looking at the denim, we'll have custom jeans, 100% cashmere coats, and other coats with cashmere for those of you who want a combination of wool and cashmere. And hope you like this video. Now, the next video we're going to do is going to be based on the new collection of crocodile belts that we just received. They're already on the website at suitcafe.com. So take a look at those. We have black, dark brown, cognac, navy blue, emerald green, and the deep purple, which is a gorgeous, gorgeous purple color in crocodile. And we're also going to talk about how to measure the belt, how to get the belt the right size for you so you have the right overlap of the belt when you actually have the belt on. You could actually watch one of my videos already on YouTube that discusses how to measure a belt exactly correctly. Even if you buy it in the store, different manufacturers, obviously stores have belts from different companies, and different companies measure belts different ways. So a 36 from one company isn't necessarily measured the same way as a 36 from another company. So you may be putting the pin from the buckle in a different hole where you might not want it. It should be in the middle hole where you have 2 extra on the right and 2 extra on the left for loosening or tightening. And that's the right position where you should be wearing your belt. So thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys all when I'm back at it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And guess what? I'm not cleaning the desk. Too bad.